We'll just wait for like a couple of minutes, like say 2-3 minutes, and then we shall be starting off our today's session. If you can hear my voice, I would request everyone to please press 1 so that we know that you are hearing our voice. Those of you who can hear my voice, I would request if you can type 1 so that I know that you can hear my voice. Thank you. Yeah, we'll just start in a couple of minutes, say 3-4 minutes. We're just waiting for a couple of minutes for other people to join, and as soon as we hit 10, we will start. So we already have 9 viewers, we're just waiting for one more, and then we shall start, or maybe we'll start in just 2-3 minutes. Thank you everybody for joining. So hi everybody, I welcome you all in today's session. My name is Dr. Shalina Bhamani. With me today, my mother is helping me.
Shamila Bhamani.
हाँ, so thank you so much. आज का हमारा pep talk जो है, basically I'll first explain you the purpose of this pep talk. Pep talk is basically a very casual discussion that takes place in this forum, which is Early Childhood Matters. इस pep talk के उसमें हम जो है आप लोगों से discussion में engage हो रहे हैं related to child development, related to parenting, related to teaching as a profession, related to school management, and our core purpose is to actually exchange learning within within the community. So कुछ हम आपसे सीखते हैं, कुछ आप हमसे सीखते हैं, and that's how the learning community grows in. So आज का हमारा session है that is about board games. कि board games की importance क्या होती है learning and development में. So आज का हमारा session है, it is in collaboration with FunQuest. I always try and get my things from FunQuest. FunQuest is also attending this session. So if you think you require any of the stuff that I'm showing you today, FunQuest has all the wide range of stuff available with them. So आपके questions or comments are more than welcome. As soon as the session will progress, आपके पास जो भी questions हो, जो भी आपके comments हो, suggestions हो, keep posting it and we will answer at the end of the session. सेशन का एजेंडा ऐसे होगा कि पहले मैं आपको कुछ बोर्ड गेम्स इंट्रोड्यूस कराऊंगी, which are the 5 initial board games for children ages 2 till 10 years. Once I'll show you those, then I'll go towards the low-cost board games. The board games that you can also prepare at home, or you can request somebody to get a printout for you. So 5 fun board games which you can buy, and 5 fun board games which you can prepare by yourself. Also, आज का session will also focus on how you can maybe buy one board game but use it differently. So एक board game जैसे आपको पता है traditional way में खेली जाती है, और but how else you can use it for your child's learning and development. So पहले तो मैं आपको बताती चलूँ कि board game is why it is important. So बच्चे जब 2 से लेके 10 साल तक के होते हैं, वो होते हैं प्री ऑपरेशनल स्टेज में. पियाजे की थियरी है कॉग्निटिव डेवलपमेंट की, प्री ऑपरेशनल स्टेज एक वैसा स्टेज होता है जिससे बच्चे हाई कॉन्क्रीट ऑपरेशनल स्टेज से पहले का स्टेज होता है, जिसमें हम बच्चे को प्रिपेयर करवा रहे होते हैं. दे आर मोर टूवर्ड्स ईगो सेंट्रिज्म, दे लाइक प्ले, दे लाइक सिम्बॉलिक इंटरैक्शन, दे लाइक प्रिटेंड प्ले, दे लाइक डिफरेंट स्टफ दे कैन प्ले विद, दे लाइक एनिमल्स इन दिस स्टेज. So this is what playing board games support and enhance pre-operational stage of young child. It triggers the brain function. So जब भी बच्चा बोर्ड गेम में engaged होता है, एक तो उसकी family values बहुत ज़्यादा enhance होती है, बच्चे में है वो logic and strategic planning का sense आता है. Similarly, बच्चा is able to focus and pay attention when playing a board game. They are alert, they know which step they need to take forward. They learn how to be patient, they learn how to collaborate and come up with team. They also enhance their critical thinking कि अब हमें कौन सा step लेना है, अब हम ऐसा करेंगे तो क्या हम जीत जाएंगे या क्या हम हारेंगे. So they do a lot of critical thinking as well. They also do resource management कि अगर हमारे पास डाइस में 2 नंबर आया है और हमें एक स्टेप चलना है, so what is like the thing that we need to do? We need to think critically, we need to roll the dice appropriately. So they do a lot of resource management as well. Scrabble में जो है वो बच्चे के पास अगर लास्ट के 6 वो रहते हैं, वुडन ब्लॉक्स रहते हैं. सो बच्चा थिंक दैट हाउ क्रिटिकली दे कैन यूटिलाइज those 7 things to form a word. So this is the way they do the resource management. Then it enhances their negotiation skills as well. Games are best to enhance all of these 21st century skills that the child is requiring. Similarly, board games जो है वो complex thinking को भी उजागर करती है बच्चे की. ये बच्चे की essential cognitive development को focus कर रही होती है. बच्चा decision making सीख रहा होता है, बच्चा higher order thinking सीख रहा होता है, बच्चा problem solving सीख रहा होता है, बच्चा knowledge gain कर रहा होता है. Likewise, ये बच्चे के लिए इतना healthy है कि इससे stress भी release होता है. So not only that कि बच्चा cognitively या knowledge wise enhance हो रहा है, but board game खेलने से बच्चा family से attached होता है, because it's a family thing, it's a team up thing. Similarly, बच्चे का stress reduce होता है, बच्चा अपनी physical movement में होता है, dice throw कर रहा होता है, eye hand coordination enhance हो रहा होता है. So there are so many things a kid is learning while playing a board game. So आज जो है मैं सबसे पहली गेम जो आपको रेकमेंड करना चाहूँगी बच्चों के लिए, जो कि 3 years onward से आप खेल सकते हैं. That game is known as the game Animals. If you can see, this is an animal game. It says Animals. So Animals basically is played for 10 seconds. It comes with a timer. So ये बिल्कुल टाइमर के साथ आती है और इसके अंदर 70 differently beautifully designed cards होते हैं जो कि आपको animals के बारे में बताते हैं. These are the cards that tells you about which are the different animals you need to choose. इसको प्ले करने का बहुत सिंपल तरीका है. इसके पीछे जो है ना different questions लिखे हुए होते हैं. So here you go, you have an animal card that you need to put your timer. जैसे ही आपने टाइमर आपने सेट कर दिया, बच्चे को आपने कार्ड दिखाना है for 10 seconds. It's an excellent memory booster game. So जब बच्चे ये 10 चीज़ें ऑब्जर्व करेगा, they pass on this card to the next person and would roll a dice. It comes with a dice. So you would roll a dice, and if 3 number comes, the person sitting next will ask a question on the 3rd number. How many jackrabbits are shown jumping? So bachcha will remember that, look, I mean, I have seen this card. How many? There were 2. लेकिन बच्चे को ये कार्ड नहीं दिख रहा होगा. सो बच्चे की मेमोरी इन्हांस होती है. 70 कार्ड्स होते हैं. सो यू कैन इमेजिन दैट किड्स इज लर्निंग अबाउट 70 डिफरेंट एनिमल्स बाय प्लेइंग दिस बोर्ड गेम. इस बोर्ड गेम को आप 2.5 years से ऑनवर्ड्स बच्चे को खिला सकते हैं. और सिर्फ एक ये गेम एनिमल परचेज करने से, एक तो उसका कन्वेंशनल मेथड है जिससे उसकी एनिमल की नॉलेज इन्हांस होती है, बच्चे का टाइम कॉन्सेंट्रेशन स्किल इन्हांस होता है, बच्चा लर्न्स अबाउट डिफरेंट मेमोरी बिल्डिंग एक्टिविटीज़. इसके अलावा भी आप इसको काफ़ी तरीके से खिला सकते हैं कि डेली बेसिस पे आपने बच्चे को एक एनिमल का कार्ड दिखाया और बच्चे से कहा कि टुडेज एनिमल इज दिस. सो टुडेज एनिमल इज जैक रैबिट. Now today we will draw a jackrabbit, we will write a story about jackrabbit, and we will learn 10 different facts about jackrabbit. So ना सिर्फ आप इस गेम को as a game खेल सकते हैं, but you can do a lot of variation by using this board game which is Animals. This is a wonderful game, and through this game you won't imagine that you will be learning about 70 different world animals. हमें अगर मैं आपसे कहूँ कि आप कोई 25 एनिमल्स के नाम ले या 35 एनिमल्स के नाम ले, आई एम श्योर आई विल लूज दैट गेम इन 10 minutes. But with this game, child is learning about 70 different endangered species as well. There are many endangered species which are mentioned over here in this card. So आपको जो है ये गेम बच्चे को खिलाते रहनी है ताकि उससे डिफरेंट एनिमल्स के बारे में पता चले. दिस इज़ एन अमेजिंग गेम. दिस इज़ एन एक्सीलेंट मेमोरी बूस्टर गेम फॉर यंग किड्स. सो दिस इज़ अ मस्ट रिकमेंडेड गेम, एंड इससे प्री ऑपरेशनल स्टेज की बहुत ज़्यादा डेवलपमेंट बच्चों की इन्हेंस होगी. द अदर गेम वी हैव इज, दिस इज़ कॉल्ड ABC game. Now this is a very conventional game that I would like to recommend. This is like a Scrabble. So this is just a 3-dimensional game, comes with this wooden plastic things, with these things. Scrabble is an amazing, amazing game for vocabulary development. It enhances the word development, word count, phonetic awareness, different vocabulary development. Child gets to know about different words, different complex words, nouns, words, and you name it. And the variations you can bring is apart from whatever you play in the Scrabble game usually as conventionally. इसके अलावा जो है हम क्या कर सकते हैं, इन डाइस को जो है 3 डिफरेंट तरीके से हम इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. एक तो जो कन्वेंशनली इस गेम को खेलते हैं वैसे हम खेलें. सेकेंडली हम बच्चे से कहें कि एक जो है हम एक डाइस ले लें, तो डाइस पे हमारा जो भी नंबर आए उस डाइस पे उतनी हम, जैसे डाइस हमने रोल की और नंबर आया 6, सो हमने इसमें से 6 टैग्स निकाल कर बच्चे को दिए एंड वी आस्क हिम टू मेक वर्ड्स. सो आप इसको इस तरीके से भी खेल सकते हैं. सेकेंड तरीका बच्चे को ये खेल सकते हैं कि आपने घर में एक जार रख दिया. एवरी डे यू टेक आउट 10 डिफरेंट दीज थिंग्स, put that in the jar and ask the kids कि आप in using these 10 different things, what are the words that you can make, and put it in that jar. So that is going to be a vocabulary jar of the week. So every week you put 10 different texts from this, put it in that jar and let everybody in the house contribute to that vocabulary jar. You can play it like that. Similarly, you can put these into a pouch and play as a pass the word. So whoever opens the pouch, roll the dice and the dice comes as 2, pull out 2 different alphabets from this and form a word, and then pass it on to the other family member. So these are the 3 different ways you can play this particular ABC game. It enhances the language development, it enhances the vocabulary development, it enhances the early recognition of words, sounds and alphabets. So this is an amazing game you can teach for vocabulary and language development. Excuse me. The other game that I would like to recommend is also an amazing game. Just by playing that game, you can enhance 5 different skills of kids. The first skill is definitely vocabulary, and that is called Pictionary. Drawing skills, eye-hand coordination, time management, resource management, and it is just like a kasauti, you know. So this is kasauti with drawing, and it has a timer. It again has a timer, and it comes with 2 different tags. So it belongs to 2 different players. इसके अंदर बहुत अच्छा तरीका है. ब्लू जो है वो कार्ड्स हैं वो दिए हुए हैं यंगर किड्स के लिए जिनकी लेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी है. सिमिलरली जो रेड कार्ड्स दिए हुए हैं वो दिए हुए हैं थोड़ी सी हायर कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी के लिए. दिस गेम इज़ अमेजिंग. इस गेम को आप जो है अपनी फैमिली के साथ, लाइक इट्स सच अ लाफ्टर गेम एंड इट एनहांसेस सो मच ऑफ किड्स. किड्स गेट टू नो so many different words and different words belong to different categories. So आपने ऊपर देखा होगा कि boat लिखी हुई है and boat से related there are 5 different words that are written over here. So which terms, which words, which things belongs to which category, that is also mentioned. Apart from playing Pictionary, Pictionary को 2 different तरीके से आप और use कर सकते हैं. You can also have card themes. So you can probably pull out one card in the kitchen and ask all the kids, or maybe if you have 2-3 kids, all the more better, you can ask them to design whatever they find in the kitchen and see that, you know, if they can design the words which are mentioned over here, which is tin opener, pepper pot, toothpick, salt, blender. So you know, this way they do recognize, they symbolize the words with the pictures, and this is an amazing game. सिमिलरली अगर आप फैमिली के साथ इसको डिफरेंट तरीके से खेलना चाहते हैं तो हर फैमिली मेम्बर को आप जो है डिफरेंट चिट्स बना लें जिसमें येलो, ब्लू, ऑरेंज, ग्रीन और रेड कलर की चिट्स हो. You distribute the basket, whoever picks the color, then they have to design and draw different things and people have to guess it. So this is also a very good game. This is also must keep in your child's shelf. This is an amazing game. The other game that I would like to share about you is this intelligent board. Now this intelligent board is amazing for pre-writing. You can see that it comes with a different text like this, which is totally safe for the young kid. You can see that it's non-harmful. I can even touch it. Nothing happens over here. This is all made up of this thing. And this initiates early fine motor skills writing when the child is begging. Eye-hand coordination is enhanced. And definitely it needs to be done under a supervision. Why? Because it has a choking hazard. So you need to do it under supervision. And it comes with these bunch of beads. So these are all the things and comes in different color. How you can play this game differently apart from what's given over here. You can allow kids to sort different colors. So put all the red colors, blue colors, purple color over here. You can ask to put all the big beads over here, small beads over here. You can also use this activity as like, you know, sort of allowing them to thread and, you know, use a woolen thread and use it by putting it into different holes. This is also increases the eye-hand coordination. Similarly, you can also pre-design shapes over here, letters over here, and also allow the kids to trace. So this is an amazing game you can keep for early fine motor development, early pre-writing development. This is an amazing game. I would say this is highly recommended. The other game which I'm sure every household has is this snakes and leather. This is one of the best game to teach competition, to teach success, to teach if you're not going to take a good step in life, you will fall down back. If you take some good steps, you will climb up. There are opportunities, there are failures, there are success. So this way a kid is learning more about different competition skills, different harmony, teamwork, eye-hand coordination, rolling of a dice, winning, losing. Amazing, amazing games, all of the things that kids can do. Now I'll show you some low-cost activities and games. So now these are all the printables, and printables are also available with Nigat, who is like holding the fun quest thing. So you can ask her if you want the printables as well. So ये बहुत easy है. इसमें है name 3 things board game. आपने simply और ये आप घर में भी बना सकते हैं. Just take the printout as well. There is a start point. You roll a dice, and for instance 3 comes. So you go to 3. And then it says go back to start. So we'll just go back to start and number 1 game. Name 3 things that are yellow. How interesting it is. You can play it with the family and it's a fun game. It enhances knowledge to the peak. It provides a lot of information of basic everyday thing. So this is an amazing game and it will hardly cost you what? A printout, that's it, and a dice. So this is a very good low cost game. The other game we have is this. It's called Continents. So what you need to do is you need to take out 2 printouts. One is this printout, the other one the same printout, but you need to cut it out. And you keep it in the basket. And then you rotate the basket to different family members or different kids. Ask everybody to pull up 1 continent, then put it over here and name the countries which comes under this continent. This is an excellent way to enhance the geography skill of your young kids, and they would love to engage in family games and stuff. The other game is another board game which is like WH questions. So एक ही board game है, उसके बहुत सारे variations and you can do this by doing this thing. So it says WH question. All you need is this board game, a dice, and you roll it. Number 3 game, let's see what's in number 3. 1, 2, 3. Where do you plant seeds? Interesting. So there's a question. Child is learning question. Child is learning how to respond to a question. They are also learning where they are planting the seed. So this is an amazing low-cost board game that you can play with your young kids. The other one is called Fitness Bingo. It's very good to engage kids in the fitness. So you need to have multiple printouts of this, and then you need to have cards. Shuffle it up, and then take the 4 to 5 printouts. So you need to pull out the card, and it just played like a bingo, and the card came that's sit-ups. So whoever does sit-ups in like 1 minute, whoever does the most sit-ups will get that card, and they will win the bingo once they have all the cards in place. So you can do a lot of variation. आप इसको बहुत different तरीके से अपने बच्चों के साथ खेल सकते हैं. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जो तरीके हम बता रहे हैं जिस पे लिखे हुए हैं that you have to play, but you can design your own thing. So always remember, जब भी हम किसी toy में या किसी लो कॉस्ट एक्टिविटी में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं या किसी टॉय में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, तो हमें सोचना है कि उस टॉय को एक तरीके से नहीं 5 या एटलीस्ट 3 डिफरेंट तरीके से हम उसको खेल सकें. दिस इज़ रियली रियली एसेंशियल. अब मैं आपको कुछ बड़ी गेम्स दिखाऊंगी जो कि आपने मोस्ट कॉमन देखी हुई है इंटरनेट पे, आजकल बहुत कॉमन है. इज दिस. ये आप लोग शीट ले सकते हैं. ये फन क्वेस्ट के पास जो है वो लंबी सी भी आती है कि आप इसको सिंपली घर में बिछाएं. Let people do this exercise in 5 minutes. So you can ask your kids to put 2 feet, 1 palm, then 2 feet like this and 1 palm in the center. You can teach direction. It's very good for physical development, not only for the kids, but आपके मेरे लिए भी बहुत अच्छी है अगर हम भी regularly games खेलें तो. So this is an amazing low-cost activity that you can do it at home as well. आपने हर A4 size पे इसके pictures लगा ली. You can paste it on your floor, and then you can play it with your kids. This is an excellent activity for physical engagement. The other activity we have is this. Now, how difficult concepts you can teach through board games. So it says to the moon. The child will learn excellent concepts of astronomy through this, and how moon works, how to land on the moon, what happens. So you roll a dice to the rocket and the dice comes 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's nothing, you're safe. So let's see, the dice comes on the 6th one. It says computer problems, move back to 1 space. And it has so much of good vocabulary related to moon landing. Excellent way of teaching astronomy to a 3-year-old kid, which will be so interesting for them to learn as well. So these are the few games that I really wanted to suggest. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask us the questions. We will now start our lucky draw. So whoever guessed it right, this time we have 3 different prizes. The first prize we will give the snakes and ladder game. This is by FunQuest. The second, we will give you the 25% discount, the FunQuest. So if you're buying anything which is of 1,000 rupees, you'll get it in 750 rupees. And the third winner will get 10% discount. The first 100 viewers will get a code which I'll write over here. I will post it as a part of the comment, which says ECEM. So whatever you will purchase, you will get 5% discount in that. We'll just start the lucky draw in a minute. So if you have any questions, any comments, we would really appreciate if you can send us your comments, your questions. So this will help us to further, answer your questions related to board game. So if there are, thank you so much for the comments. I cannot take the names because I can't see the names right now. But thank you so much whoever is doing. So I will request yet again my mother to pick up 3 chips and we'll see who the winners are. Now I get a lot of questions and queries that winners should be given priority who brings the most nearer guess. But unfortunately nobody predicted this time session as well. So we have decided that we will choose 3 winners. So the first winner is Salima Kassiani. Salima, if you're watching this, please inbox me and you have won or your kid has won the snake ladder. So congratulations. This is by FunQuest. We have Salima. Then we have Nazia Khan. Nazia Khan, you have won the 25% this discount brochure. Please contact me in inbox. And the third winner we have is Noreen Danish. So Noreen Danish, these are the 3 winners. So please connect to us on inbox and we will send you your gift vouchers and stuff. So thank you so much everybody for watching. Our next pep talk will be on Friday now. So now we are converting our pep talks from Sunday to Friday evening. And I will again post the competition. Whoever guesses will get the prize in the upcoming live session. So we would like to say thank you to everybody. Thank you so much for joining. If you like the session, please keep us in the comments. Please give us some suggestions in the comments and share it with whoever is interested in learning about board games and how board games help in child development. Thank you so much. Take care and bye-bye.